Okay, we are at Cape Tribulation Beach and Lookout Point. The truck is a little bit dirty, some would say. Anyway, we got here 2 seconds ago. It took us about 35 minutes to get out that Bloomfield truck, but we got some rubbish to throw out and we're going to head up to this lookout. We're going to, is it Cape Tribulation Lookout?
It's called Lookout Point on the map.
Oh, Lookout Point. Through the rainforest. It's pretty dry, there's not been too much rain yet, but I reckon it's coming. We just looked at Lookout Point. I'll put a photo up now, and there's some B-roll, but it is sick. Now we're heading down to Cape Trib Beach.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't.
Jump back in the car to head back to the caravan park to have some lunch. It's hot, isn't it?
It's so hot right now. There is another beach there, but it's up the stairs, but we're starving, so we're going to go back for lunch. We might come back here in the morning before we leave.
Okay, so we are back at camp. I'm just airing up a bit because we're not going off-road again today. I'll show you quickly what I do when I air up. So I got a little TJM, well, a TJM compressor in there, I wouldn't call it little. Now I just hook up that, if you can hear me, flick that on, hook that hose up that they've given me, put that into the indiflate, and I velcro that little thing on, and then I just monitor it on here. This is more accurate than that gauge for airing up. I do find a discrepancy, I checked it, but yeah, you can do two at once. And while you plug those in, I run around under the front little caps of the valves, put them in my pocket, so as soon as I'm done there I can take those two off, put it straight on there and lock that valve shut and keep going, and then I'll come back here, put the valve caps on, and vice versa. So yeah, it's a lot quicker than just airing up one tyre at a time, especially when you've got like 35-inch tyres. It takes a while, as most of you may know. Anyway, we're back here for a peanut butter sandwich. Gonna have some chips and whatever. It's got really hot now because it's just rained, or it's rained all morning, but it's nice weather. I might go off and get another coffee. So that's that little bar I showed you last night in the footage. And then yeah, as I said before, spin around, that's the beach right there. So it's a pretty good spot, I think. Camp. We're not getting the tinny off in this one, but anyway, we are airing up. Let's just have a little check. So we're at 36 in the rear, so I normally go to probably like 43, something like that. Peanut butter sandwich is made, ready to go. Oh yeah.
Do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't want to know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't want to waste my time.
We're at Mason's swimming hole. There's some rules down here. Couple of rules. It's $1 donation to get in.
You don't want to go first?
Oh, that's a cool little swimming hole. Yeah, really nice swimming hole. We didn't jump in though. We're on the move. We want to see some more stuff. So in the car to keep going south, aren't we? Oh yeah, Scooby-Doo truck. So jumping back in the car. Made our way down to Thornton Beach. It's really nice, eh? So you can launch your boat here if you have a permit, so you must have to own a business on the in the national park or something, hey?
Yeah, I don't know. I have to look into it.
Okay, we're at the ice cream shop.
We are, yeah, so we're at the ice cream factory, I think it's called. There's 2 ice cream shops here, but we're going to try the factory first.
Yeah, we're going to try the factory. If it's not any good,
There's 26 flavours, so
just going to have to eat it again.
down the road.
Anyway, we might film in here, but it might get a bit awkward, so we might just do some
It's
B-roll.
pretty busy, there's like people everywhere, so we'll just see.
Yeah.
Okay, so we both got licorice flavoured ice cream.
Yeah.
Doesn't really look like licorice. It is delicious. Thoughts? Really good. Last time I had licorice ice cream was when we were buying a fan when we were travelling around Australia last year. Where were we?
Port Hedland.
We were at Port Hedland, and the Wendy's ice cream shop had licorice, and everyone thought that I was crazy eating it, but it's really good. Good?
Yeah, it's good. We smashed our ice cream, had a little sit down. Now we're getting back in the truck and we're going somewhere more south. Not really sure, but we'll tell you when we get there. Bex left her hat in the car. This is Cassowary Bay. Maybe a little bit more of a local spot. A couple of people driving down the beach, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Right, so we spare at the moment just did this tour. What's it called, Beck?
Daintree Discovery Centre, and it's the canopy tour.
Yeah, I think it was $30-something each, but I got a coffee.
They gave us a little bit of a discount because
Yeah.
there's only an hour until it closes.
It was an hour, but you like have these little buzzers and a book that tells you all the trees and stuff. And like this would be number 6 tree. And it tells you in the book. And it's got like all this bush tucker knowledge and all this cool stuff. And you can also press the numbers on this thing and it talks to you and tells you what's going on. And it's a kilometre round trip. They say to take an hour and a half, but we got about an hour and 10 to do, so we should be sweet. But it'll take you along the way. I'll give you some information about this as we go.
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do.
So, this little stairway here goes up 23 metres back. 23 metres? 23 metres up in the canopy. Pretty cool. Got a few people here, but if you only want to go this way, you can. There's more information here. So we just walked out of there. Good.
Yep.
Point.
And
Yep.
then we're going up, there's somewhere up here right now. So we've got to go back down and then through this circuit through here
And then back
and
around.
around to this one and up.
Yeah, it's about 1k. We haven't really walked that far, have we? We've already done 2 of them.
250 metres.
Yeah, not far. Anyway, we are 23 metres up in the rainforest right now. So we are walking in the middle of the Cassowary circuit. The last time they saw a cassowary was the 20th of December. That was 20th? Oh, it said 26 3 days ago. It's 29th today. Seeing the bush tucker trail. So you press 25 and away you go. It tells you everything about it. No screen there. as you can tell, nor Beck or I like snakes at all.
Can you see it?
No.
Black-headed python's meant to be in there. Probably around here somewhere.
Just went in the snake enclosure,
Oh,
and it is not our thing.
Oh, no.
We're going to keep going.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Big going.
You are one who will survive.
Like a giant friggin' badger.
It don't mean a thing, what shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late when you wonder why. Cornelia,
So we are just driving up to have a look, and there is a cassowary on the road. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. It's coming to Nick's side now, so we're going to put the camera out Nick's window.
Just walking that way. I think that's a female being that small, maybe. Get out of the car. We're at Cape Kimberley Beach. No camping allowed, but this is the beach access.
time's been bad. You put smiles on everyone. I think of you and of all that you have done.
We are just driving back to the van. We're going to have some quick showers because we've been out all day and it's really hot at the minute. And then we're going to make some sushi.
Yeah, we're gonna make sushi.
So we're just going to have chicken and avo or chicken and cucumber. I haven't decided yet. Just because we've got some chicken schnitzels there and sushi kit.
With teriyaki sauce.
We've got teriyaki sauce and Japanese mayo as well. So stay tuned. It's our first time cooking sushi ourselves, so this could be interesting.
Okay, we are making sushi, so it comes in this little kit. Speak a bit louder because the aircon's on. Soy sauce, wasabi, ginger, and it comes with a little sushi roller and paper, what do you call it, seaweed, and brown rice cups we're just using. The vinegar, I think, helps the rice stick together. We just chucked the rice in the microwave for how long?
40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Yeah, I just want to see how thick it is.
Yeah, I think it needs to be more than that. But then the chicken's just in the air fryer. I've cut up the avocado, they're ready to come out. Then we'll put it all together. So the avocado and chicken is chopped up.
Just pouring the vinegar in
Actually, not
to
sure.
the
Maybe
rice.
just go half and
Yeah, I'm
see.
just going to do half because there is white rice in there, but we felt like brown rice. So if you want to hold that. And it says to stir with a spatula.
Just going to stir that up and we'll see if it's sticky enough. Instructions say to put it in. We put all the vinegar in, don't over mix it and let it cool. so we're going to put it in the fridge because we're hungry. See how we go. Okay, so we have rolled it, kind of. We didn't use sticky rice, so it'd be easier. We only use like packet brown rice, but
it still works.
Still works. So you got to roll it. Like use this roller. I know this is messy, but we've been making sushi. I'm stepping in it. But do one big roll and then hold it and compress it. Then pull back here and then roll again. Hold it and compress it. And when you put the rice on the seaweed, push it into the seaweed.
Next time we cook it, which will probably be in a couple of days' time, we'll use the sticky rice and we'll show you what we do.
Yeah, we'll probably do another vlog, but I just watched it on YouTube. If you're in doubt, good old YouTube, check it out.
We are just about at the ferry. We're like 100 meters away. We'll get our ticket to cross back over. I'll give that to you, Nick. So we are about to, yeah, there's no line, that's nice, head over, and we are going to do a ferry, not a ferry, a river cruise is what we're going to do. So we're going to cross over and then we'll go there and we'll show you what we're going to do.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's another video done. Check back next week to see what we do on the river cruise. We spot some crocs and much more. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button.